Adding additional weapons to turrets in Public Zeus. Step 1. Go to Eden Editor and place down a minigun Quilin. Step 2. Go to the video description and copy the use code line, then double click on the Quilin and paste the code into the init box. Part 1 of the code uses the addWeaponTurret, which will add a weapon to an existing turret. This function requires identification of the vehicle. In this case, we are using the phrase this to identify the Quilin. The function also uses an array to identify what weapon is being added to the turret and finally which turret it will be added to. In this case, we are using the close air support cannon, which will be applied to the Quilin's only turret. If the vehicle only has one turret, then always leave the final subarray as 0. However, we are not done yet. You've given the Quilin an additional weapon to its turret but no ammo. That's where part 2 of the code uses the addMagazineTurret. This function first identifies the Quilin with the phrase this, and then like in part 1 uses another array. This array identifies what ammunition is to be added and a subarray to select which turret will receive this ammunition. In this case, we are adding a single magazine of cast cannon ammunition to the Quilin's only turret. To find the names of the weapons and their ammunition, select the Tool tab and then select the Config Viewer tab. To find the correct weapon, scroll down and select the CFG Weapons category. Select a weapon and scroll through its parameters until you reach its magazines array. Step 3. Select the Quilin and save it as a custom composition and leave Eden Editor. Step 4. Go onto an official Bohemia Public Zeus server with either the name EU0A, 0B, 0C or 0D. Go to the compositions and empty subcategory and select the saved vehicle and left click anywhere or press Alt and left click. And that's how you add additional weapons to turrets in Public Zeus. Goodbye.